Hello, everyone. This short video will show you how to use the chatbot to create your study guide and also how to use the chatbot to study for the upcoming exam. Now, with the chatbot, you could actually do quite a few things with it. For example, you could use prompts to create interactive quizzes with it and use those for studying. You could also use the chatbot to create flashcards for key concepts. So some prompts for that are shown here. You can also ask the chatbot to summarize the lecture notes for you, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And then you could also use the chatbot to provide some detailed explanations or ask it clarifying questions. Then one other thing you can try is to see if it gives you some inputs on how to study for the exams. So one thing just to point out, when you create your study guide, at the bottom, the last page of the study guide, be sure to include some prompts that you use when creating your study guide with this chatbot. Now, how you access the chatbot is if you scroll down, click on number 2. So then what you want to do is copy this URL and put it in a separate browser and just paste it in. Now, the rationale for that is that as you're watching the lecture for this week, which is the sensory systems in the domestic dog by Dr. Megan Barboza, you can pause the lecture if there's a specific topic that you want to ask some clarification on. Then you can open the chatbot and then type in the chatbot with whatever prompts you want to expand on some of the information. Now, the chatbot's very conversational, so you can say something like, provide some information about sensory systems in dogs. Then you just hit this little toggle right here. And it only takes a second or so to give some information. Then if you really prefer this to be, say, in bullet points, you can then provide this in bullet points. Hit enter, and then the program does this for you. Then if there's a specific topic, for example, the sense of smell, you can say expand on the topic of sense of smell and then see what it provides. And like any chatbot you may have used already, if you put a prompt in and it doesn't give you the exact information you want, you might need to change or reword your prompt a little bit. So with that said, we encourage you to use the chatbot to create your study guides. Don't forget to put the chatbot prompts on the last page. Then as the exams come in closer, this tool is really helpful in studying for the exam, particularly with creating Quizlet type flashcards or also creating like 10 or 15 multiple choice questions on specific topics that you can use to help study for the content. Thank you very much for your time.